Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex, and this is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with a class that requires no props, and all levels are welcome to enjoy. We're going to begin standing. At the top of your space, bring the feet together, bring the palms together, stand up tall. Bring yourself to the present moment by bringing awareness to physical sensations, the temperature, the textures you feel, the breath. Arrive. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, swan dive forward, soften the knees, relax over the legs. Press to stand, palms touch. Inhale, arms sweep wide overhead. Look up, stand even taller. Exhale, swan dive forward. Hands down, right foot back, lunge. Feel a stretch in the back foot. Draw in the core as the hips start to open. Left foot back plank pose. Hold. Press everything away. Keep the elbows in close. Lower all the way down. Bring the forehead down, rest it on the left hand, right foot in, quad stretch. Switch. And release. Let's lift up halfway for cobra. Use the back strength. And lower. Press up to a strong tabletop. It's like a thorn. Big one. Downward facing dog. You can pedal this out if you need or want to. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width, weight in the front part of the hands. Relax the head and the neck. Right foot steps between the hands, lunge. If you need to lower the left knee and scoop the right heel forward, that is an option. Adding on a lunge twist, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand back down. Press off the back foot and fold at the top of the mat. Forward. Press to stand. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Open up the front of the body, the sides reach. Exhale, fold all the way down. Left foot steps back, lunge. Right foot back, plank. Lower all the way down. Quad stretch, right foot in. And switch. Release the foot, cobra, Lift up halfway. And lower. Tabletop. Downward dog. If the mind is wandering, I know mine is, bring it back to the present moment. Head and neck relax. Feel the length happening, being created in the back of your legs. Step the left foot between your hands, lunge. Lunge, twist. Right hand down, left arm opens. Left hand back down. Press off the back foot and fold forward at the top of your mat. Press 2, stand up. Turn to face the long edge of the mat, step the feet wide, feet, knees face forward, fold forward. You can sway, you may stay still. Keep the weight forward. Halfway lift, long flat back, preparing for a twist. Right hand down, left arm opens. And switch, left hand down, right arm up. Right hand down. Hands to hips, stand up. That's for balance. Heels in, toes out. Bend both knees. One hand on top of each knee to assist in opening the inner thighs and the hips. Let's dip the right shoulder forward, left shoulder back. Switch. And come back to center. Press both legs straight. Big step to the top of the mat. Right away, Utkatasana, bend the knees and sit back. Arms overhead, sit a little bit lower. And stand up, palms touch at heart center. Inhale, arms reach wide and above your head. Look up, breathe. Lift out, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And from here, hands down, plank pose. Lower to your knees if you need to modify. We're going to Chaturanga, elbows in close. Inhale, upward dog. Let's linger here. Tops of the feet down. Press into the front part of the hands. Someday, the knees lift, shoulders down, pull the chest through. We're back to downward dog. Find stillness. Bend the knees. Make your way to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Fold. Bend the knees. Utkatasana, lift the upper body up. Palms face each other. Fingertips lengthen away from the tailbone. Press to stand, bring the palms to touch. Breathe. Close the eyes for a moment, or lower the gaze if balance is tricky. Be grateful for the present moment. Notice how you have shifted your energy in just a short amount of time. Know that this is always here for you, this space. Have gratitude for your presence. I am so grateful for your presence. Let's blink the eyes open, reabsorb the light, and close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Lift up, reach up, and palms touch. Hands lower down to heart center. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your presence. Namaste. Namaste. I'm back inside because it's raining out there. Check out my playlist with all my shorts on it because those are cool and sort of fun to watch. Instagram, and obviously hang out with me here just about every day. I plan to continue daily at least through the end of the year, and I hope everyone is having a lovely day. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste. Smoothie time.